Hi guys, welcome to Future Technical Guruji channel. So storage concept in Red Hat Linux by Kiran Deshmukh. Let's get started. What is LVM stands for? LVM in Red Hat Linux operating system stands for Logical Volume Manager. Guys, here we need to deal with LV, that is logical volume. What are the components of logical volume? Logical volume encapsulates physical disks, physical volumes and volume groups. In the diagram below, I am going to explain you all these terminologies. Yeah. So here our diagram comes. So we'll be explaining from with the help of diagram. So in the diagram which is shown on the board, the first layer on of the LV, that is logical volume, is hard drives, that is hard disk, SDA, SDB and so on. On top of hard drives, what we did, we have created a disk partitions. On top of this disk partition, what we have created a physical volume. So physical volume is a logical unit which which we can create on top of disk or on top of disk partition. In the next video I will going to explain you how to create the physical volume. On top of physical volume there is a volume group. So volume group is, we can say that it is a pool of all the physical volumes which encapsulate all the physical volume. So the first layer is hard drives, second layer is a partition, third layer is a physical volumes, and fourth layer is volume groups. So on top of volume group, we can create a logical volume of any required size. Let's say we want to create a logical volume of 10 gigabytes. So we have created a logical volume of 10 gigabytes, and for accessing that logical volume we need to format it using any of the file system. Let's say using a file system ext3 or ext4. After formatting or after assigning file system to this logical volume, we need to mount that logical volume on top of any mount point, and by using that mount point we can write or read the data uh, in and from the logical volume. So in the next few videos I'm going to teach you guys how to create a physical volume, how to create a volume group, how to create a logical volume, how to assign a file system to the logical volume, and how to mount the logical volume on mount point. So for this, thanks for watching guys. will be I will be back with the labs for logical volume manager. Thank you so much.